The best platform, in my opinion, is Facebook, well, Meta Business Suite. Because when you go into here, you're going to be able to see the content that you like. If you don't know what to post, you might get some ideas here. So, like Friday the 20th is Bike to Work Day. So, if you wanted to create content around that, you can do that if you want to just kind of be a little festive with all the um, different types of holidays to celebrate. Here's a Monday motivation idea. Actually, I did that. Huh? Um, but I'm pretty sure that was there before I put it there. So you got Memorial Day, you've got National Donut Day, World Bicycle Day. I mean, this, if you don't have any ideas or know what to post, this is definitely going to help you. And when you create your post, you can post it to each platform, add your photo, turn it into a video, create a video. There's so many things you can do here. You can also look up your hashtags, your recent hashtags, and your saved hashtags. These are all the saved hashtags that I have. So um, it's pretty neat. You can find your optimal time so you'll know when your Instagram people or Facebook people are online. Tomorrow at 5 a.m. Sunday is a busy morning for people because they're just laying in bed scrolling, right? So, anyway, that's what I think about Facebook and Instagram scheduling planner tool. If you want to see how you can schedule, I do have a video on that, so that'll come up on the screen. Happy scheduling!